Hey guys, my name is Ben and this is my dad, and today we are going to open an account so I can put my savings and money into an account.
And for the adults, we're going to open up a UTMA custodial account in his name so that he can take his money that he's been saving and buy individual stocks in companies that he's interested in without tax implications, because for minors, first $1,250 or $1,350, you don't have to pay taxes on the gains. So if it's in his name and he's got gains on a $250 account, we don't have to worry about paying taxes. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the account in a company called Fidelity.
Oh.
The reason we're using Fidelity is because Fidelity allows for you to be able to buy fractional shares. So if he wants to buy a company like Microsoft that's $450 a share and he only has $250, he can buy a fraction of that share and other companies that he wants to invest in. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Fidelity's website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, just go to open an account. Hold on.
There.
Alright, so when you're choosing the accounts, because it's a custodial account, you want to go to see all accounts. Once there, you want to go to kids and education. And then you go to custodial account, invest for child's future, open an account. Okay. Then you put your information in, you put the minor's information in, and then you hit open an account. Okay, so you've opened the account. Now you want to hit transfer your money so that you can fund it. Linking a bank account is probably the easiest one to do it with. The easiest one is just electronic fund transfer. You own the bank account, it's yours. It's not a business, and then this lets you link it. If your bank is on here, it makes it easy. Just pick the bank you have and you'll be able to log in. We're going to start small, transfer $260.
In the next video, we will show you how to actually buy stocks, and I will show you the stocks of my choice. Ben out.
Stay tuned.